How do successful SMB owners effectively manage their involvement in hands-on businesses? In many small businesses, owners find themselves deeply involved in day-to-day operations, often because the nature of the business demands their presence, whether for quality control, customer interactions, or operational decision-making. Industries like hospitality, retail, consulting, and manufacturing frequently require the owner's oversight, leading to a cycle of constant involvement that leaves little time for strategic planning or growth-focused activities. This can result in burnout, reduced operational efficiency, and stalled business growth, as the owner's energy is spent on immediate tasks rather than long-term goals. To address this challenge, the engagement framework provides a structured approach that enables business owners to stay connected to essential aspects of their business while creating space for strategic growth. Engagement stands for Establish Tiered Involvement, New Workflow Models, Gradual Leadership Development, Adaptive Use of Technology, Group Client Management, Efficient Scheduling of Owner Time, Mentorship-driven Responsibility Transfer, Empower Department Heads, Nightly or Weekly Reporting System, and Time-efficient Client Follow-ups. Each component is designed to help owners delegate effectively, manage their time efficiently, and empower their team and maintain oversight without daily immersion in operations. Wait, are you sure you are exploring the right framework? Instead of guessing, answer a few quick questions at How Frame works to find the one that fits your problem. Once you have the right framework, download our implementation guides and execute it step by step. You can also download pre-designed Excel dashboards to track your progress, all in one place. Join howframeworks.com today and take control of your growth one smart decision at a time.